guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is on a trimmer that is of 1099. Let's unbox it. Syska. So this is the stand base. This is the pamphlet. It has all the information regarding the product and how we have to use. This is the charger. And this is the trimmer. The trimmer has an adjustable comb, trimmer head, and there's a on-off switch. Now this is a small comb and an oil bottle, small bottle. And this is a small cleaning brush. This is how you will clean your trimmer. All small tiny hairs would be removed with this brush. Now these are all the detachable components that you can put over the trimmer. This is a trimmer with a comb, and this is a detailed trimmer, and this is a shaver. This is nose trimmer. Here I am showing you how to attach the component over the trimmer. So this is a shaver. We just have to put it on and then twist to attach. And to detach, we again have to twist and pull. It is that easy. There's an instruction: after the cleanup, install parts in opposite order. After cleaning the blade with water or brush, apply few drops of oil. So this is how you can use the stand to keep all your components with the trimmer. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe.